What's up, Mainframers? Welcome back to the channel. And then today we're going to be diving into how to write a simple COBOL program using the ISPF editor on the MVS 3.8 mainframe. And stay till the end of this video because I will be doing a demo of how I compile and execute this simple program using JCL jobs. And if you don't have access to a mainframe, that's not a problem. I have a link in the description down below where I show you how to install the Hercules emulator with the MVS 3.8 software, and you can follow along with me and start your mainframe journey today. Now that we got the introductions out of the way, let's get started. All right, first thing we're going to do is create a member in a partition data set. From the command line, we're going to do an option equal 3.4, hit enter. And we're going to go into this data set, mj.dev release 01, and hit enter. Next, we're going to tab over to the mj.dev release 01 bcob. We're going to type E for edit. And then we're going to give it a member name. So we're going to start on the command line, type S with space, and we're going to call it hello. Press enter. And for now, I'm just going to tab over to here. I'm going to press enter just to reset the screen. And we're going to start the tutorial. Now, before I begin, I always make sure that the caps is turned on. This allows me to type in lowercase, and when I hit enter, it moves everything over to uppercase. Now let's review the keyline commands that we'll be working with. These commands are simple, powerful, and easy to remember. So let's give this a try. So let's insert a new line. We're going to tab over to the line command and type I for insert. And start our paragraph, identification, division, period, and hit enter. And we can continue typing the next line. Good. On the next line, we need to breathe a little bit, so I'll hit the space bar a couple of times and hit enter. Hit enter again to get out of insert mode. But how do you insert text in between existing text? Easy. Bring your cursor to where you want to insert the text, press the insert key on the keyboard, and type away. And the delete key still removes the text. To copy an existing line, go to the line you wish to copy and press C. Then go down to the line where you want to paste it. You have to set A for after or B before the line. Then rewrite the next line, environment division. To repeat a line, you type R and you hit enter. The next line is input-output section. You can also use the commands as blocks. Simply mark the beginning and the end of a block and hit enter. And let's breathe a little bit and insert an empty line. And the next two lines are data division and working storage section. Now, using what I've shown you, try to see if you can enter the next line, which is procedure division. And on the next line, we're going to add a display. We're going to start with hello world. No, wait, everyone does that. Let's do WAZZ UP. hit enter. And the last line, we're going to write stop run. Don't forget to save your work. Hit the home key and type save on the command line and hit enter. Okay. Up until now, you're probably watching this and you think I'm going crazy. Because in COBOL, it's separated in two areas. Paragraphs start in area A, which range from column 8 to 11, and statements and code range from column 12 to 72. From the command line, type COLS to turn on the columns indicator. Alright, let's fix this code. We're going to use the shift right command and set the number 7 for the number of spaces to shift and hit enter. And we can also apply the same thing to a block. And last, we need to shift these two statements to column 12. And don't forget to save your work. And there you have it, your first COBOL program using the ISPF Editor line commands. Next up is a quick demo about how I compile and execute this simple program using JCL jobs. I'll be diving deeper into how all of this works in future tutorials, so stay tuned, they're coming up. Let's see if the code works. So I set up a job right here. So the purpose of this job is to take my COBOL program and its copybooks, compile it, and if it's successful, it builds a LOADLIB. From the command line, type sub and hit enter to submit it. Here, just type 1, enter. I can ignore that one, hit enter. Oh, I got an error, code 12. All right, let's go take a look. From the command line, I'll do an equal 3.8 to take me to the SYSOUT. And I'm going to go find my job. And there it is. I just bring my cursor down, hit select, hit enter to go see the SYSOUT. And there's your return code 12. Keep pressing F8 to go down to the bottom of the job until you reach this point. Now you just got to read the error message. It's saying line 11, which is at the display. It's because I used double quotes. Let's go fix that. So I go back to my program. I just fix it. I hit save. Then go back to my compile. Submit it. Put 1 as a character. Just ignore that. And there you go. Condition code 0. Next, let's go to the JCL job that I'm going to use to execute this program. The thing to note about this job is I'm going to be executing my program hello from the load library that I had specified in the compile. The benefit of doing it this way is speed and efficiency. Type sub on the command line to submit the job and hit enter. Good. Condition code 0. Let's check out the SYSOUT. Find the job. F8 to the bottom, and there it is. WAZZ UP. And there you have it, a simple COBOL program that runs on the MVS 3.8 mainframe. Congratulations! If you found this helpful, I'd like to ask you to smash the like and subscribe button down below to be notified for future upcoming tutorials. And don't forget to drop a comment down below if you wish to see more JCL or COBOL content. Until then, I will see you later.